Welcome to the Lion City, Singapore. Nestled at the crossroads of Asia, this vibrant city is a unique mix of stunning skyscrapers, lush green spaces, and cutting-edge innovation. Whether you are a foodie, an adventure seeker, or a culture enthusiast, Singapore has something incredible to offer. Let's dive into the heart of Asia and explore all the beauty, best attractions, and must-try foods of this vibrant island nation. So, sit back, relax, and let's start this unforgettable journey together. Let's go! Hey guys, welcome back to Festive Forever. Oh my god, I am in Singapore for New Year's. I haven't been to Singapore before, so this is my first time and we are gonna explore some of the best places. This is my first day. We reached around 7 o'clock, then we had some breakfast at this place called Wild Honey. This is our first day breakfast and here we have Turkish eggs and this one looks really tasty, so I'm gonna just break this. So here we have. I think baked soya are really fresh. This one is so good and the taste is amazing. It's very sad. Now let's try something else. So this dish is called Yemen sandwich with side of paprika fries. मुझे ना paprika actually मुझे fries खाने का मन एयरपोर्ट से था, but I didn't have it because वहाँ पर McDonald's था and I kinda promised my best friend that I will not eat fries from frozen like McDonald's and places like KFC. So fries are really good, but we should pass it on so that people can have them hot and fresh. So now we have the sandwich. Let's see what is there inside. Oh, it has all the good stuff that, you know, one of our friends really enjoys, which is fried chicken, fried eggplant. So let's try this. I love having, you know, baked stuff, and especially when I'm traveling because they seems to be very fresh and yeah, it's tasty too. Everything is so tasty. This one is spicy too. We have called for chai latte and इलायची का इसमें बहुत extreme level पे taste है. Now let's try this one. This one is actually nice. It has oat milk, honey and espresso and it's like it's cold coffee. Since we got there early and check-in wasn't until 2, we decided to just walk around, and by walk around I mean eat. Grabbed some coffee and baked goods at a place right across from our hotel. After that, we went to Orchard Road, checked out the mall and stopped at Percentage for a coffee and croissant. Coffee was alright, nothing too special. So मैं Naples में थी तभी मैंने Lantica Pizza. I went to one of the best place for pizzas, that is Lantica Pizzeria de Michele. I got to know that Singapore also has that outlet, so I wanted to see that if the taste is same. So in case if you're in Singapore, you can explore this place. Let's go and try some yummy pizza before we start seeing the beauty of Singapore. Let's go. We are going to eat margarita and marita, which I had tried in Naples. Let's see, taste same hai ki nahi. In Naples, you don't get anything. You get very basic stuff like pizzas and some drinks. But here, you get pastas and some cocktails. So I have called for limoncello spritz. I'm kind of reliving my memories. Now we are going to test this. Let's see. Center is soft. I can feel that. Oh, yeah. Oh my god. I saw the reviews, they said that it's the same, but I don't feel it's the same, but it's good. You can't compare it, but it's good. It's pretty good. Can you ship this, guys, little bit so that I can show Marita as well? No, na? So what is margarita? Basically, it's half and half. One side you get margarita and the other side you get marinara sauce. See, I will say that it is somewhere similar, but if that place is 10, I would say this is 7.5. Right? Right? Yeah, right. I also have your Aperol Spritz, which is more like a refreshing drink. Again, all these drinks are made to make you feel a little less hot. So these drinks, they usually Italian people drink in summers. So we finally got our room, and this property is really good. Not just that, it's closer to, lot of things. Everything is just like 5-10 minutes. They have this sink outside with a mirror where you can get ready. And also this is a drinking water. So if you want to drink water, they have given this tap over here. Now we are going to chill for some time because we are really tired. We had a hectic day. So we are going to rest for some time and then we are going to just roam around. It's going to be a chill day. We are not really, doing things because we just arrived today. So we want to kind of chill and just explore the streets or walk around. That's it. So yeah. Stay tuned. Just letting you know, since I forgot to mention earlier, the hotel name is Amara. Hotel is really good, right from the location, amenities, food, everything. So just next to our hotel there was a mall and it had Pullman Bakery. They got amazing bakes. Almond croissant was my favorite. Then I also tried bubble drink, which was quite decent. Could have been better. My second day in Singapore and आज हम लोग आए हैं Moreline Park. I think it's called Moreline Park, but the place is so overcrowded. सब फोटो खींचने में लगे हैं, किसी को कुछ भी नहीं करना. Okay. यहाँ पर एक इंसान ने हेलो भी बोल दिया है, but look at the crowd guys, इतना overcrowded है ये जगह. कल मतलब हम जब सिंगापुर में आए थे तो हमको लगा था कुछ भी नहीं, लोग तो बहुत ज़्यादा कम है. एक फ़ोटो नहीं निकल रही, एक फ़ोटो. इतनी overcrowded है. वैसे तो I think the place is also overhyped, but you can see that. Yeah. And the funniest part is कि इतना बड़ा नहीं है जितना लोगों ने इसको बताया है. It's quite okayish. और सिर्फ पानी और लोग अजीब अजीब फ़ोटो खींच रहे हैं, मुंह में से पानी निकल रहा है and all that. मैं तो नहीं करना चाहती हूँ. So I'm just here enjoying the place. And you can also see Marina Bay Sands. और मुझे ऐसा लगता है हर चीज़ यहाँ पे मरीना बे सैंड्स के आजू बाजू ही घूमती रहती है. मैं जब से आई हूँ तब से यही सुन रही हूँ, मरीना बे सैंड्स. Alright, so this is our first touristy place. Okay. So this is our first touristy place, and then we'll head on to our second. So we have taken this coconut ink. Singapore people love their coconut a lot because everything has coconut. Ice cream, coconut water with some ice cream again, and this is fresh coconut. It's all coconutty. It's good. This is the second thing that we're eating. It's called acai bowl. Actually हमारे ग्रुप में एक चीज़ है और I think I'm not sure everyone follows this or no, but हम 10 मिनट की दूरी में 4 बार रुकते हैं और कुछ ना कुछ खाते हैं या फोटोज क्लिक करते हैं. तो ये असाई बोल खा रहे हैं जिसमें बेरीज है, पीनट है एंड सम फ्रेश फ्रूट्स. स्ट्रॉबेरी का सीज़न चल रहा है. सो लेट्स जस्ट डिग इन. कलर तो लुक एट द कलर गाइज. बाप रे. चलो खा लेते हैं. बहुत ठंडा. Oh my god, I can't even speak. मेरे दांतों में झंझनाहट पैदा हो गई है. Okay?
तुम्हारी डेंटिस्ट तुम्हारे साथ ही है.
Yes, we have a dentist. Because हम लोग को दांतों की चिंता करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. But it's very chill, sour, yummy, crunchy, chocolatey. So I eat both the things, healthy and unhealthy. So So the next tourist attraction on our list was Time Capsule at the Singapore Flyer. It's a journey through Singapore past, present and future. It's a way to learn about Singapore development and growth with a focus on where the country is headed in the future. Obsessions that I had picked up in Singapore, I used to drink this coconut drink or something from this place and a burger from Shake Shack. Oh, you need to have the burger and fries. It's super juicy and yummy. So we are in Singapore Flyer and this is the highest point of Singapore Flyer, somewhere around 165, and yeah, the view from here is very good. It's air conditioned, so you don't have to worry about that. मतलब ऐसा लगेगा कि सुबह आए दोपहर को कोई फ़र्क नहीं पड़ता, but I would prefer in the morning because यहाँ पे then you can see everything, and in the night I don't think so you'll be able to see anything. So I have come to my favorite place, that is Venchi. They serve the best gelato in the world. I've taken banana and dark chocolate. The combination is amazing. This is with hazelnut and this is regular cone. And everything is dripping. You have to immediately eat it. My god, this is my favorite place. Happy New Year guys! So today is the first day of 2025 और हमने सोचा कि first को क्यों return जाए, हम 2 दिन बाद return जाएंगे. Why not enjoy our first day of the year at Universal Studios? So हम यहाँ पर है, काफ़ी ज़्यादा धूप है. Yesterday I think we lost our touch because we were doing couple of things. First thing that we did, we went to an aquarium. Now aquarium is also in Sentosa Island. I felt that the aquarium was quite okay because the price of the ticket was 4,000 rupees, and I'm not sure that if it is, means I felt that it's not worth spending that much of money. अगर आपका बच्चा है तो maybe आपको पसंद आएगा. So aquarium and Universal Studio दोनों यहाँ पर ही है Sentosa Island में. So all of these things will take your entire day. आगे उसके बाद एक्वेरियम के बाद we went to cable car ride, which is again expensive. It is somewhere around 3,500. It's a closed space, and when you sit there, you might feel like I didn't have a good feeling. Like I felt it was too claustrophobic. It was quite okay. I didn't like it that much. In the evening, we went for New Year party because it was New Year Eve, and today we are a little late because we were sleeping and कल late हो गया था. Universal Studio का जो experience है that I will share in the evening. We also have like tomorrow and day after. Day after we are leaving, but it's in the evening. So let's see. मैंने कल के बारे में इतना कुछ plan नहीं किया है, but जो भी किया है आपको तो ज़रूर दिखाऊंगी. So let's go. Universal Studios Singapore was without a doubt one of the best experience I had during my trip. From the moment you step in, it's pure magic. If you're planning to visit, the regular admission pass will cost you around 6,000 rupees. But if you want to make the most of your day and skip the long lines, it's definitely worth investing in Express Pass, which will cost you another 9,000 rupees. Without it, you could end up waiting about an hour and a half for each ride, which can really eat up your time. There are a few rides you absolutely can't miss: Transformers, The Mummy, Light Camera Action, The Water Show and Jurassic Park. Honestly, all the attractions are super fun, but these stand out as the highlights. Universal Studio opens at 11 AM and closes around 8 PM. So it's a good idea to get there right when it opens. Trust me, you'll want to take full advantage of the entire day. And there is so much to do, and by the end you will be pretty exhausted, but totally worth it. Oh my god, this is my last evening in Singapore and I am at Selawi. Selawi is one of the best restaurants in Singapore. It is at Marina Bay Sands and at the 57th level. It is also above the observation deck. I don't think so you really need to book observation deck, Sky Park observation deck if you are coming here. वी थॉट कि हमें जो हमारा सिंगापुर का ट्रिप है वो बहुत अच्छे नोट पे एंड करना है. टुडे मॉर्निंग वी वेंट टू टूथ रेलिक टेम्पल विच इज़ एट चाइना टाउन. वहाँ पर आपको एक अलग ही फील आएगा. द ब्यूटी, हाउ इट्स बिन बिल्ड, यू विल रियली एंजॉय द Buddha statues and the way they pray. Everything is really good. Even you can enjoy at the street. Then we went to Yakun Kaitos जहाँ पे हमने breakfast किया. So you get very authentic stuff there, or authentic breakfast, butter and then some butter between the bread, and there was some egg thing which was also very good. I am not really, my palate is not that developed to eat raw eggs, so yeah. के बाद हम गए थोड़ा shopping करने. So there is also a store of LV where you can buy chocolates. So now what they do is they give you the box of LV, and inside there are chocolates. Now the chocolates are very expensive. It is somewhere around 95 Singaporean dollars, and for that price you will get 3 to 4 chocolates. They are pretty expensive, but so is LV. बट आपको अगर एक मेमोरी या किसी के लिए गिफ्ट लेना है, सो दैट इज़ समथिंग दैट यू कैन totally buy. Also going to show you how beautiful the restaurant is and what you can eat here. So yeah, let's wait. This is one of the best luxury fine dining restaurant in Singapore, and you will be paying mostly for the view because the food is not really suitable for Indian palate. You will have very less option in terms of non-veg like chicken, but if you eat seafood and you like Asian food, then you have couple of options. You get the best cocktails over here. All of the cocktails that we order was so pretty and good looking. Mine one was the best. This is called Singapore Sling, and it's beautiful. The taste of alcohol is very less. There is something that they have added called DOM orange liquor, which I liked, and it does not contain alcohol taste, so that's what I liked about it. Then we have the sushi. So we have called for veg sushi because there are very less things that are suitable for our palate. This is roasted chickens and some fries, because with cocktail you need some fries, right? So if you're coming here, guys, it's going to be mostly for the experience and not for the food. This is tomato burrata salad. So these are truffle mushroom balls with some sauce. हमने actually काफ़ी चीज़ें order की है. It's very hot, and this has mushroom and some rice kind of filling. I'm just going to try this. This is really good. It's fried. Whatever I'm eating here, which is fried, it's tasty. This is steamed edamame with some chilies, and one dish would cost you somewhere around 2,500 to 3,000. So yeah, this is what we have called for dessert. It's 72% dark chocolate with some ice cream, vanilla ice cream. So this looks like a choco lava cake. I'm gonna take some ice cream from here, put it on the top. Let's eat it. Kind of melting in my mouth. Very less sweet. Okay, so that's a wrap for this vlog. My trip was absolutely amazing. Before I wrapped up, I made one last stop at the Jewel at Changi Airport. Unfortunately, when I was there, they were doing some cleaning around the area, so I couldn't get to see the world's tallest indoor waterfall, but the whole place was just incredible. So guys, please do like, share and subscribe, and also follow me on my Instagram, that is Festive Forever 4. I'm gonna see you in my next vlog. Till then, live life festive style. Bye bye.